When fleets are deployed, maintenance management is more critical than ever. GOLDesp ensures troops have the supplies they need to keep their equipment operational, anywhere at any time. With the Mobile Line Maintenance Application, or MLM, operators can access GOLDesp without an internet connection. MLM works on a compatible mobile device in a connected or disconnected mode. Prior to departure, the MLM device is loaded with all necessary work packages, including parts requirements for the platform. MLM tracks and records all maintenance activities during the deployment. When the unit returns back home, the laptop will synchronize the recorded maintenance activities with the GOLDesp central server. As an extension of its mobile capabilities, GOLDesp features an automated warehouse solution that can be used offline. It's called the Mobile Warehouse Management System, or WMS, and it integrates with handheld scanners. This enables users to perform basic warehouse functions in GOLDesp, whether they are maintaining equipment on a runway or working in a warehouse. WMS supports routine tasks such as receiving, binning, picking, and issuing materials. It replaces pen and paper with automation to increase efficiency and accuracy and reduce labor costs. GOLDesp centralizes the data for better collaboration and smarter decision-making, increasing mission readiness wherever battles are fought. GOLDesp, taking military maintenance to a whole new level, empowering troops with the equipment they need to achieve mission success today and for years to come.